Imagine a world where robots seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, enhancing productivity and creativity. Tesla Optimus is not just a concept, it's a glimpse into our future. This humanoid robot, powered by Tesla's cutting-edge AI, is designed to perform tasks that are mundane or even dangerous for humans. With its advanced neural networks, Optimus can learn and adapt, making it incredibly versatile. And now, Optimus Robots can apparently talk as well, adding a whole new level of interaction to their capabilities.
Hey Optimus, what's up?
How's it going, man? Enjoying the party?
What do you think of the new Cybercab?
Cybercab looks amazing.
I know.
I'm trying to get a ride.
Dude, me too.
Picture it handling logistics in warehouses, assisting in healthcare, or even helping with household chores. The potential applications are staggering. Tesla is leveraging its expertise in robotics and AI to create a machine that can not only think but also understand and interact with its environment. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era where human-like robots could redefine work and leisure. The implications for industries are profound, and the excitement around Optimus is just the beginning of a revolution in automation. This isn't just innovation, it's a transformation of how we envision our future.